What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today we will be doing an update on XRP and Bitcoin from yesterday's live stream. So if you are new to this channel, hit that like button. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. Let's try to do that, you guys. If you really want to support this channel, it would help. And if you like what you see and hear and feel compelled to sub, smash that subscribe button and let's get this crypto, baby. Let's go. So before I start any technical analysis or any review on the market, I always have to acknowledge Jesus Christ before I move on. He is my Lord and Savior, and I always want to acknowledge him before anything in my life and anything that I do, and give him glory, honor, and praise, because he has blessed me tremendously. That being said, let's take a look at the current market, what it's looking like. It's pretty green today. We see a green market, very green. Bitcoin's green, XRP's green, Ethereum's green. The market is pretty green. Bitcoin from yesterday's live stream, I said it's going to be heading to 15K, and I believe it will scratch 15K this evening, depending on where you live. I live in Texas, so Central Time is what we go by. I believe later on in the evening it will hit 15K, if not sooner. So it is morning time here, so we do have a while, but it may hit sooner. So Bitcoin is currently up 7.53% with the dominance of 66.72%, while XRP is up 4.19% today, sitting at 24 cents 441. So price is looking fairly great for this market. I still believe that the bull market is going to start soon. I believe we're going to have another 2016, 2017 moment, and we'll see prices explode towards the end of the year. And that being said, you guys, it's all a matter of time. I know a lot of people are, weary about this market, but the market has shown, to be holding strong during this so-called pandemic and during this election. So I believe prices are going to move higher, and I'm going to explain and go into detail about yesterday's live stream about prices going up. So that being said, let's get into this technical analysis. All right, you see here XRP we see XRP price is currently moving up from the P wave that I had drawn out last night in the live stream. I said this will be a good entry for buyers to enter the market at 24 cents 546. So once price breaks through there, I expect prices to start moving higher to the upside. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. This is the current move that I see prices potentially going to 33 cents and 12. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. I mean XRP. Let me explain why. Let me go ahead and move this out the way, you guys. So this is the P wave, and then using the Japanese system Ichimoku, we got day 33 right here, which is in this area. I'm expecting the market to move to the upside from here, or extend up, because when it comes to these Ichimoku numbers, it's called Henka B. Henka B means day of change. So we know that this is around the day of change at a support level. So we know that price is either going to explode here or dump here, and we're getting that move to the upside where we have to pop from the support here. So this is what I'm liking at this point, and XRP is showing signs of it moving stronger with Bitcoin right now. So expect the market dominance of Bitcoin to continue pushing the other cryptocurrencies up. Chris Larson, I believe, had said that Bitcoin controls the market and XRP follows Bitcoin price. So if that's the case, we should expect a high price XRP this year. It doesn't matter what anybody says. A lot of people have doubts, but given the information that we've seen so far, XRP has shown to be holding quite well, and I believe is going to do so this year. So expect a bull market this month. All right. And especially December. All right. We also have the bullish Kumo cloud that's forming and the Chiku spans pushing up higher. And now if we want to go here, realistically, the 1 hour, we see on the 1 hour, we finally did break this trend line that I was telling you guys that was going to break last night. So this is a strong buy here to the upside. This is the perfect situation for buyers right now. Now, what I would expect this type of movement for XRP right now. And this is what I'm going to be watching: a push to the upside, then a push back to test that breakout, and then further movement to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. I'll probably put in more positions at the pullback. We will see, but it is interesting how this market is playing off right now, especially during, you know, this pandemic, as people say that it wasn't going to move as much. Now, moving on to Bitcoin, let's go ahead and check out the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is actually almost at 15K right now, actually. So scratch what I said. We're going to get there sooner than later. We see from last night's live stream, I said it would hit here, that 1-to-1 ratio, and it did. So I'm very bullish on, you know, Bitcoin in the crypto space. I do have Bitcoin going higher. We had Henka B at day 51 right here, and we're going to move higher. The next Henka B will be day 65 right here, which will be November 12th. I'm believing by November 12th, we will get up to the 16K range, if not sooner. I'm just giving you guys some good projections using the Ichimoku time theory and using the Ichimoku wave theory at the same time. So this is what I'm expecting price to go long term. And above all that, let me show you guys this. The weekly charts. I have price moving back up to all-time highs over here. So it really closed out at 18,975, but the all-time high was around 2,000 or 20,000. So we know that price is moving up higher. I believe price will get up here. Another level that it can come to, which I do notice right now that it can very much come to, is right here. All right, at 16,200 flat. So that is something that I am going to be watching as well. This is going to be the next area of resistance that we face once we get past this 15K range. So we will definitely see that, you guys. I know that a lot of people have been bearish for a long time. And if you look here, we finally broke outside the wave. So this next move is going to be gigantic. Honestly, if I'm going to be realistic with you guys, I believe Bitcoin will see a 30K price just because this N wave here. So you guys, it's only a matter of time. If you guys like what you heard and saw today and feel compelled to sub, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and welcome to CloudLife. And if you'd like to be a member of this channel and get exclusive content, become a member, smash the join button, and become a member today of this channel. And if you want to become a student, hit the CloudLife membership, and I'll put you in the Discord group where I will educate you on how to read the charts, and you could be a trader and read the charts for yourself. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless and peace.